Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Linux command line tutorial for beginners. In this video we will learn how we can create user account in Linux. Okay, so first I will start the terminal. I will increase the size of the terminal a little. To create user accounts, we can create two types of user accounts. Okay, the first type in CLI. Okay, that are types of user that can run only in this terminal, like here. I want to show you. I will exit from this terminal to show you like this. Here we can log in the CLI mode user. I have created already one by the name of this, so I will launch it. I think I wrote Malakizai. This is the user I created here. Okay, one type that only we can create a user that runs CLI mode. Okay, here you can see it is only a restricted account, and another type of account that we can create here is GUI mode. Okay, so I am working in both CLI mode and GUI mode. That one type that we can which has this a graphical user interface, and another has a command line user interface. Okay, so first I will create a CLI mode or command line user interface account. Okay, so here I want to create, but before of creating an account, first whenever you want to create or delete an account, you should use the sudo command. Okay, sudo, I want to create an account. What is the name of if you want to create an account, here we have the command useradd. Okay, useradd. This command actually used to add or create a new user. In here you should type the name of the user. I want to create the name of this user, Linux. Okay, user. I want to create by this name a new account by this name, but remember this account will be only run in this CLI mode. Okay, I will show you. I just enter the enter button. Here this account has been created. Okay, so I want to give a password for this account. So whenever you want to give a password, first you type the sudo and the password. Okay, this command is actually used to give password, but remember, if you enter, it will not give to this account a password. It will give password for my Kali Zaid Kali. Okay, for my this account. Okay, so you should type the name of the account that you want to give the password for it. Linux user. I want to give the password for this user. Okay, just hit the enter button. In here you should type your password. Okay, the new password for this account that you want. I want to have the password 123. Okay, 123. I want to have by 123 password. This confirm the password successfully add. Okay, I'm going to show you that this user that we add. Okay, here is how we run it. Okay, I will close the terminal and launch another terminal here. So exit from here, and now want to the user that we create, we want to run here. So if when we want to run, just type in this login page the name of the user. So the by which name we create an account by the name of Linux user. Okay, Linux, this was in capital, Linux user. Okay, by this name we create an account. So the password 123. Now you can see this account has been created. So in home directory, now we are cd home ls. These are the accounts, or these are the things that we have here. Okay, so I will exit from here. Now I'm going to show you how to create a GUI mode. A GUI mode or graphical user interface account in our Kali Linux. Okay, so simply I will launch terminal again. So here remember, whenever we create a GUI mode, or even if it be CLI mode, okay, command line or graphical mode. So here we can use, first we should use sudo command. Okay, after sudo command, useradd. This useradd used in both. Okay, useradd command. Then here you should type the name of the user. Okay, I want to have Linux GUI. Okay, by this name I want to create a new user. After this we use a flag -m. This -m used to create a default home directory for our new account. Okay, and -s, this minus is used to create a shield or a terminal for our new account. So when we enter this -s, we should give the location for this shield, the default shield that we use located in bin bash directory. Okay, so after this we use the flag -g. This -g will add this our user in a group. The default user, the default groups that we use is users group. Okay, and -c, it is the your choice. Okay, if you don't enter it doesn't matter, but we use -c to give a comment. Okay, or to know for it is by your wish what you write. I'm just typing here. This is for testing purpose. Okay, it's by your choice. Okay, I've created this account. Just hit enter button and type your sudo password here. So this account has been created. Okay, I create this account. So whenever you're going to give the password for this, just like previous account that we add, just type sudo password and then type the name of this account. Okay, Linux GUI. Okay, this was the name. Okay, just hit enter button. It doesn't exist. I think I wrote something wrong here. What? Oh yes, this L is not capital. Okay, Linux GUI. Hit enter button, give a password for your account. Yeah, I give the password for this account. So I'm going to show you, and I'm going to take a login by both. In first I will show you this account in CLI mode. Okay, so just I will create start a new terminal. Here I want to enter the name Linux GUI. Okay, and the password was, I think I wrote Linux GUI. Password was 123. I don't know what was the Linux. Okay, Linux GUI password was not working. We create, I think this was in capital, Linux GUI password. Yeah, now this all was in capital, GUI was in capital. We was trying to enter, was not in capital. So you can see, you can watch here, it is the account that we created right now. So I'm going to show you to take here. I will back to the terminal. ls. Now I'm in home directory. These are the accounts that you see here. Okay, so for now I will exit from this. I want to have a graphical login for this account that we enter. Okay, so I will log out from my account, or just switch the user. I'm going to switch the user. Okay, so to open the login page, now here we create two types of account. Okay, one I told you that is CLI mode, and another is GUI mode. Okay, first I'm going to open the CLI mode. Okay, just try in CLI mode. The CLI mode name was Linux user. Okay, and that password was 123. Just you look here, Linux user password 123. Simply it will not give a login because this is, we create the account that was in CLI mode. It not work in this graphical user interface, but the another account that we created that work in both CLI mode and GUI mode. Okay, so here I will enter the account that we create in GUI mode. Okay, so the name of the account was first I remember in CLI mode you saw, you look at that it's not working. Linux user, okay, password was 123. Just see, it will not open this. It's only a black screen, it will not show us. But now I'm going to open my GUI mode user that I created, okay. So what was the name? I think Linux GUI, okay, GUI in capital, and the password was that free space. So now you can see the new account has been added to my Linux operating system. Just wait a second. Now you can see a new account has been created, and we could create a new account. So it is a new sheet or a terminal. The name of this account is Linux GUI, okay. So this is the account that we created, okay. This is the account. So you can simply list users. Here you can see we have two types, two accounts. One name is Linux GUI and another is Zite, okay. So exit from the terminal. Now I'm going to show you how to delete this account back, okay. So for deleting the accounts, it is pretty easy. So I will log out from this account. It will take a little second. So I'm going to enter my account back. It is my account, so I'm going to delete the two account. How we can delete? So for deleting the account, removing the account, simply just type sudo command, after that user del. This command actually used to delete the account. So which account you want to delete? I want to delete first that CLI mode account that we entered, Linux user, this account, okay. So just hit the enter button and type your sudo password. This account has been removed, okay. And I want to delete my GUI mode account too. So just type sudo command, after this user del and Linux GUI. This two account that we had. So first I will show you here users. It will not show here, but you can delete it. It's actually we have this account here, but it's not showing for us here. So user delete, okay. The name of the account was Linux GUI, okay. The problem is that this account is running right now, okay. So we cannot delete it, but when we close or shut down that uh, Linux GUI, we can delete it. But here you can see that we can delete it. It can be deleted, okay. So by this way, by this manner, you can delete. If I go back and shut down that PC in that account and back to my this account, I can delete it. So you got the concept, okay. Means that you should get the concept. It's not important that I describe all. So the length of video is getting large, so I will close the video. We will meet in next video, okay. Thanks if you are watching.